this is Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to another episode of Weekly Stock Picks, where we look at momentum and pullback trade opportunities that exist for the next week. It's starting from September 26th, 2022. The first one on our list is Coforge, which is previously known as NIT Technologies. It's a short call on this. It's one of the leading IT services company, but it's a short because the IT sector as such in downtrend. The US markets is also bearish and cracking. So the charts of this particular stock, as well as all the other IT sector stocks, are cracking down and showing braces. So this is a head and shoulder pattern that you can see here. Look at these charts. It has been trying to break this trend line for multiple years, and there's a major support zone that is it. And if there is a breach of that's happening, that's an entry point. It will give a good swing opportunities till the next support zones that you can see. The reason why stock is because the medium term momentum is bearish, and the daily term momentum is also bearish, and also the trend indicator ADX is indicating a bearishness that is increasing on the ADX DMI indicators, right? So Coforge is a short call, and it's a head and shoulder pattern. Also the price pattern, momentum, trend all indicating that there is bearishness, which could give short swing opportunities, right? So breakdown entry call on the alert candle low, you 3219, you'll have to enter, and you have to keep a stop loss at 3660 on the upside, and then it's giving a decent one is to 2.5 risk reward. You can trail if your target wants to be kept below that, but given the breakdown of the trend line and the head and shoulder, that much of risk reward could come in if it breaks down. The target near to 2077. The stop loss is what 3660 is. Entry is 3219, as I told before. 2077 is the level that you can look forward for the target. And the instrument that can be used as cash or futures or options instrument as per your portion. Capital size, portion sizing can be done. So trading the stop loss as usual. So that's the first pick. Second pick. Look at the charts once again before I move on to the next one, right? Next one is a long call that's on the Sept. Sept is the third largest pharmaceutical player in the country, and it's given a 23.1 CAGR for the last 5 years, and the good dividend payout also 17.9. Pharma sector has always been a defensive sector, as we know, just like the FMCG and IT, which is not playing out just because of the US crash. But otherwise, these are the defensive stocks, and this could play out well when the market is in the downtrend. Right? The charts is showing a box and a rounding pattern. In a box breakout, it's attempted and failed and fall back into the box, a rectangular pattern, whatever we call it, and it is a rounding pattern now on the weekly and the medium term charts. There is also a momentum range shift that you can see on the RSI indicators, which indicates that it can give a good bounce up. Right? Weekly range shifts are really nice in the bullish side. The trend ADX indicator is also in the bullish side. So let's make a note of the breakout zone on the alert entry candle above 1100 is the entry point, and then you can put a stop loss below at 1014, and that's giving it a risk reward decent. This one is to 1.4. You can target for 2553 level in the medium term for swing trade opportunities, right? So that's the second call, Cipla, a long call, and the third one, the last one, is the Hindustan Unilever, right? As we know, the FMCG sector is also a defensive sector, and it's only sector that's walking out from the long side as of now. That could play out well in the market. This may be showing some bearishness in the coming days. HUL is an FMCG business and it's a market leader, and it's a dividend payout, can you imagine it, at 96.4, right? And it's a market leader in many of the product categories that we already know about. We don't need to talk about. That's it. So here technical charts are showing that it's a parallel trend line channel breakout potential is there, right? So here you can see that it's inverted head and shoulder pattern also inside a parallel channel which has been working out since very long time on the medium term charts. You can see that the momentum has climbed up into the bullish zones, and the trend is also on the upside with decent strength as per the ADX indicators, and this could definitely give a up move till the top of the channel for sure, because that is how it has been doing since very long time. You can see very clear price indication of upward swing opportunities till 3044, right? So two patterns are the head and shoulder breakout plus a parallel channel up move towards the top of the channel, right? So the entries of the breakout above the alert candle of 2772, the stop loss of 2507 gives a risk reward of opportunity of -1.5, which is fair. Targeting is 3044 level on the medium term swing opportunity is what we have to look out for, right? So let's see. 3 calls: Hindustan Unilever long, Cipla long, both the different sectors, right? FMCG and the pharma. IT sector is also a defensive play when the market is down, but unfortunately the US markets are cracking down. The entire IT sector has been taken down the chin for long weeks now. So Coforge has not broken down till all the other major IT players have broken down. So there is a chance that it can give you options of Coforge, Unilever, and Cipla, 3 picks for next week. I hope this helps you some way, try to understand look at these patterns once again by yourself and try to understand and correlate what we told, and then if that convinces you, we can take the trade. It's your call. And risk management is primarily important. How much quantity and portion sizing that you are taking is also very, very important. Do not take the trade without risk being handled, stop losses being put, portion sizing being carefully thought about, right? So happy trading, happy learning. If you like, subscribe. Definitely do subscribe if you're watching this, and share and like it if you consider that it helped you to understand the stock better, right? Happy trading, happy learning. Bye bye.